Welcome. Today I am with AirPods Max and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off spatial audio. So the first, you have to be connected with your AirPods and the iPhone or any other iOS device. Next, you have to input the AirPods on your head. Right now, as you can see, we are connected. Right now we have to open the settings and we have to remember about very important things. Thing that some people just skip when recording this kind of video. So we have to go for the accessibility in the settings. Next, we have to go for the audio and visual, and here we have to turn off the mono audio. So tap like that to turn it off, and then open the control center. We are on the headphones, so we have to click and hold the volume adjustment, and here we can turn on the spatial audio. Click here, and then we can use fixed or head tracked. And here we can also adjust the volume level, of course. And that's it. That's how we can turn it on. If you want to turn it off, just click here on this icon and click off. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.